and run. So I don't know who did that, but that's the damage of my car. So I didn't call the police because it's in the parking lot and nobody see it, and probably gonna call my insurance. My vehicle is damaged, but then that's it. And that happened a day before my birthday. What a gift, diba? Wawa naman. I'm sad on my birthday kasi yung car ko nabangga. Hindi ko alam kung sino. So, that's it. Try to share. Hello everyone. So, that's what happened the day before my birthday. And right now my car is in our garage. Alright, that's what I want to share. Bye.